In this classroom, we have whiteboards and displays along the walls, as well as tables for students to use. First, you will need to locate the control panel on your podium. On the screen, there'll be a button that says Press to Begin. Once you press this button, all of the displays along the walls of the classroom will turn on. The overhead document camera attached to the podium will turn on as well. Once you have pressed this button and everything has turned on, you will see a list of sources on the left side of the screen. These sources are your options for what is going to be shown on your podium monitor and the displays. Your options are NinerNet PC, laptop HDMI, AirMedia, and document camera. NinerNet PC is the computer on the podium. If you click this button, it will show what is on this PC. Laptop HDMI is if you have a secondary laptop that has an HDMI port. You can plug the HDMI cord located on the podium into the laptop. Once you click the button, the displays will show what is on the laptop. Next is AirMedia. This is used to allow the instructor to mirror their laptop on all displays, or for students to connect to the individual displays at their tables with their own devices. Once you click this button, all of the displays will show individual IP addresses and codes that the students can use to access this feature. Last on the list is the document camera. Once you click this button, it will show you a list of options in the middle of the screen. These control the document camera. The first listed is the power button. This will turn the document camera on and off. You can use this panel to adjust the lights on the document camera by turning off all lamps or turning on the arm or back lamps individually. You can also use this panel to zoom the camera in or out, rotate the image, or freeze the image. There are also buttons on the document camera itself to control these features. To return to the main menu and no longer show the document camera screen, you can press the button of the source you want to use. I'm using the podium computer, so I'll press NinerNet PC.